Hey, stop. Full pursuit. Fuck you up.
It started with a phone call.
Oh, good, good. He has a gun. Get out, 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 get out. What is it? What? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Did they just shoot a gun?
Oh, yeah.
Is anybody injured, ma'am?
A woman locked herself inside a gas station bathroom and begged the clerk to dial 911.
I have a customer that went inside the restroom and she says that she's with the guy. The guy's outside in a silver Altima and he is threatening her and he has a gun.
Because the man waiting outside in the parking lot had just threatened her with a gun. One deputy answered that call, alone. And in the next 90 seconds, he would be shot multiple times and still find a way to end it.
Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Full pursuit. Fuck you up. Stand 5, I'm hit. Shots fired.
December 1st, 2023. Just after 1:40 in the afternoon, at an ARCO gas station on Bear Valley Road in Victorville, California. Inside the store, a woman had barricaded herself in the restroom.
Okay. Is she still in the bathroom?
She's still in the restroom. Hold on, let me ask her because I know she's Is she still in the restroom? Yeah. Oh yeah, she does not want to go out. She's barricaded in the restroom. What? Okay.
Oh, here the people are tight.
Oh, was the guy came looking for her?
Did he?
No, he did not. Okay, he's still in but he's looking like through the window.
He's looking out his car window?
Yeah, he looks like he's Hispanic.
Her boyfriend, 27-year-old Jorge Cardenas, was outside in a silver Nissan, armed and refusing to leave.
Isn't I in the front? There's a silver car, an Altima.
Is it parked near a pump or where's the car parked?
It's parked right in front of the store.
Do you have a license plate on the vehicle by chance?
I can't make out the license plate because it doesn't have one in the front.
Okay.
Is the guy in there?
And she's still in the bathroom?
She's still in the restroom. She does not want to go out. Keep an eye on that car, that silver car. Because he's threatening to go out. She barricaded herself in the restroom. So I'm calling the cops.
About 6 minutes later, a single sheriff's sergeant pulled in. Shane Anderson, 18 years on the job. He parked behind the Nissan and walked up alone, with no idea that the man he was about to meet was already holding a gun.
Full pursuit.
What the body camera captures next happens in seconds. Cardenas walks into the store. Anderson moves to detain him. And without warning, Cardenas pulls a pistol from his waistband and opens fire at point-blank range.
Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Full pursuit. Fuck you up.
Get out!
What is it? What?
Oh my God.
Did they just shoot a gun? Is anybody injured, ma'am? Ma'am, is anybody injured?
We are not going to show you the worst of this. What you need to know is what it cost and what this one man did under fire. Anderson was hit. Not once. He was shot multiple times, his legs torn up by the gunfire, one round even slamming into the taser on his belt.
Fuck you up.
Before we go on, if you want to keep finding stories like this one, take a second to subscribe. Subscribing is what lets us keep bringing these stories to light.
Okay, ma'am, calm down, okay? So, listen to me.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I left the store.
Okay.
I left the store. I should have left the store. I should have left the store. I didn't think this was for real.
Right.
Oh my God, I feel so guilty.
No, ma'am, you did the right thing. Don't feel guilty.
And in that moment, most people would have gone down and stayed down. He did not. Bleeding, hit again and again, he stayed in the fight, got down behind whatever cover he had, and keyed his radio with a voice that is almost impossibly calm. I'm hit. Shots fired. Send med.
Sam 5, I'm hit. Shots fired.
And then he did something that saved his own life. He saw Cardenas step back for a moment, and he used those few seconds to reload. Down on the ground, bleeding from his wounds, hands steady, he dropped his spent magazine and seated a fresh one. He had just finished when Cardenas came back toward him, gun still in hand, to finish the job. He was a fraction of a second too late. Anderson fired first. He struck Cardenas, and the threat to that woman, to the clerks, to everyone inside, ended right there.
So the guy that was in the Nissan went inside the store?
Oh, yes, he went inside the store. He had the gun.
Okay.
And then the deputy went behind him.
Okay.
And then the deputy went behind him.
Okay, is the girl still in the bathroom?
Yes. Okay, you know what? Yes. Oh, that again.
Yep.
The deputy is shot.
Okay.
The deputy is shot.
The deputy is?
And
Okay.
the guy is shot as well.
Okay, and the guy is shot too?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Do you know, is anybody else injured?
Yes, look. One deputy down and the suspect down.
Okay.
Sam 5, I'm hit multiple times. Send meds. Suspect down.
Later, Anderson said something that tells you exactly who he is. He said he knew that as long as he could deal with the man in front of him, everyone else was going to make it out okay. That was the thought in his head while he was bleeding on the ground. Not himself, everyone else.
Sam 5, that's affirmed.
So the victim is out. The victim is out.
Okay, go talk to the deputies, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
All right.
Sorry, you hit? Yeah, I'm hitting the leg. I don't know where else.
Deputy hit. I'm gonna cover him up, keep lethal.
Copy.
Anybody else inside?
This is the only suspect.
Here, take the gun. Holster, Shane, holster. Over there! All right. Where are you hit?
This leg, I don't know where else.
Shane Anderson was flown to the hospital and survived. He spent 2 months recovering, and then he did the thing almost nobody expected. He went back to work. He said he wanted to show people that this was not going to slow him down, and that after 18 years, he still loves the job. The woman in the bathroom walked out alive. The clerks walked out alive. Because one deputy answered a call alone, took round after round, and refused to fall until the people behind him were safe. This is what these officers carry every single time they pull up to a call they know almost nothing about. A bathroom door, a parking lot, and a stranger with a gun. Most of the time we never see it. This time, the camera was rolling, and it caught all 90 seconds of it. If you want to see a cop's final body cam moments before everything goes wrong, click the video on the left. And if you want to watch a routine stop turn into a man pulling an AK-47 on an officer, click the one on the right. We'll see you in the next one.